Well, hello YouTube, and welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I am so glad to have you here today. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified when I put new content out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you back in the kitchen with me today. So today I am getting ready to fix some ham and scalloped potatoes. I'm using some leftover ham that I already have diced up, and I'm just using a box of, let's see, this is Chef's Covered scalloped potatoes. So I am looking forward to this. This is so easy to put together, and I'm gonna have a nice hot lunch in less than an hour. So we are in the kitchen ready to get started. So let's get cooking. Okay, so right into my pan we are going to add our potatoes. Grab a pair of scissors here to open my bag up with. I always grab the scissors that don't open that well. Oh, I need to get rid of those scissors. Get these other ones here. And then to this, we are adding our packet of cheese sauce. And it goes right in here. Now I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. And to this, I'm adding a cup of very hot water, because we need to melt that cheese sauce all up. Let me grab a spoon here. And to the cup of hot water, I'm just going to add some half and half. If you want, you can use milk, but I'm just using half and half because I have it open and it needs to be used up. So probably about 3/4 of a cup of half and half, or milk, whatever you want to use. And then I have some chopped ham here, the leftover from my Christmas Eve dinner, my Christmas Day dinner. And I'm adding maybe a cup of chopped ham. You can add as much or as little ham as you want. Give this a good mix. Make sure that ham is down in the cheese sauce so that it doesn't dry out while it's baking. And then to this, I'm just going to add a little pinch of softened butter. Not a whole lot, just like a little pat of butter. Now this is going into a preheated 400 degree oven for between 30 and 45 minutes, depending on your oven. And that's it. It was that easy to throw together, so I will bring you guys back when this comes out of the oven. Alright, our potatoes has been out of the oven and cooling down a bit. So I have those ready. Along with my potatoes, I just took a can of green beans and threw some of my chopped ham along with some some minced onion. So I'm going to dish this up to go along with my potatoes. I also had some brown and serve rolls in my freezer I pulled out and threw in the oven. And this will be my post-Christmas Day semi-leftover lunch. So just used up some things I had in my pantry and in my freezer, and my leftover ham from my Christmas dinner. And these look amazing. They really do. And you saw how easy that was to put together. It doesn't take much at all to have some ham and scalloped potatoes. Let me grab one of my rolls here. And lunch is served. That looks like a really good lunch to me, so let me spin you around and we will give this a taste. Alright, I got my fork. I got my plate of yummy looking food here. I am hungry. I cannot not wait any longer. I am digging in. So here comes my bite of ham and scalloped potatoes. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. It's cheesy and salty from the ham. The potatoes that were on top has a really nice crunch to them. Here comes my green beans. Mm. This is just the cheap brown and serve rolls. Mm-hmm. Woo! Here comes the happy dance. Woo! 2 thumbs up for this meal. It was quick. It was easy. It's a 2-pot dinner. 1 pot for the beans, 1 pot for the potatoes. This is going to be a great lunch. It's still kind of cold out here in Florida, so this is going to be a nice hot lunch. Mm-hmm. Definite. 2 thumbs up. And that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Thank you so much for spending time in my kitchen with me today. It was a very quick, very easy, no-spend lunch. I had everything here for this lunch. And it was a great way to use up leftovers. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. If you've not subscribed already, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. And if you like, leave in the comments what your favorite no-spend after holiday lunch is. So let me know in the comments what you plan to be doing today for your lunch or dinner. I love hearing what you guys are doing. So leave me a comment down below. Leave your prayer requests down below. I love when we pray for each other. That just really makes my heart sing that we do that for each other. So leave your prayer requests down below. And I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.